In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files using PDFtk. Now to do this, first you want to open PDFtk, and then from here you want to add a PDF by either clicking add PDF over here, or you can just go ahead and drag and drop it in here as it says up top. So I'm actually going to click on add PDF, and I'm actually going to find something I want to merge, okay? So I do have some tutorial ones over here. For example, this tutorial document, I'm going to click on it, and of course if you want to select multiple, you can just hold down your control key and click on the second one, third one, whatever, okay? All of them are going to get selected and then click on open. Over here, it's going to show you exactly how many documents or PDFs you have in here and what their page counts are. So this one has 4, this one has 2. So if I go ahead and merge these PDF files, it's going to give me one single document with 6 pages, okay? Now, of course, you can go and reorder these as well if you want to by clicking and dragging. And then once you've done this, all you have to do is go to the bottom and click on Create PDF. Once you click on Create PDF, you want to give it a name. So I'm going to type in merged 6 pages, and I'm going to save it to my downloads folder and click on save. Once you've done this, you can then open that specific PDF. So I'm going to open it over here, and as you can see, this PDF has 6 pages because it's been merged, okay? So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.